everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. Today I'm here with another new topic in which I will tell you about if your SIM is not working, how you can solve it in your device Realme GT2 Pro. But firstly, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward the video. In this video, I will explain if your SIM is not working or you're unable to see your contacts, how you can solve it. Just watch complete video and follow the steps as I'm showing to solve your SIM contact issue in your device Realme GT2 Pro. Let's watch the video.